Beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a mixture for our hands. As you can see, mine is still a bit stained. So I'm going to be showing you how to lighten your knuckles organically, because the last video I did, you guys have been calling me out saying it's not organic and it's a bit harmful to the skin. So if you want to see an organic mixture, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So you guys, I didn't expect you guys to call me out on that video. I literally didn't actually think it was going to be so much of a problem, and yeah, it actually was, because it was not organic, and you guys said that bicarb was too harmful for the skin, and vinegar as well. And I said that you could use bicarb, vinegar, water, whatever those few ingredients were. So I decided this time I'm not going to get called out, and I'm going to be nice and do this video. And I decided to go in with a key ingredient that absolutely lightens any part of your body wherever you use it. So let's just hop into this video. So guys, I've mixed turmeric with a little bit of milk. You can use milk, you can use lime juice, you can use water, you can use yogurt, any of those. So this is what my hand looks like actually before I started this video, and so you can see my knuckles are actually a bit darker than normal colors. So I mixed the two ingredients together and then I started applying it onto my hands. So what this mixture actually does is that it helps to lighten your hands. It helps remove all the dead skin cells that we accumulate on our hands. We're so used to exfoliating the areas that can be seen, such as our faces and our neck, sometimes even our underarms, because those areas are the areas that are seen. Our hands, even though they are seen, but they're exposed to so much of sunburn, they're exposed to too much of heat. Sometimes we have different types of jobs that our hands are actually more exposed, and we don't realize that, as well as we don't take care of it. So what this actually does is that it helps remove all the dead skin cells that have been accumulating over there for over the past few years. So guys, I applied this mixture to my hand and I left it for 10 minutes. So guys, I sat for 10 minutes and waited for time, and thereafter I went to the bathroom to wash up my hands. I washed my hands, and as you can see, it is a little stained. So the washing of your hand, make sure you go in gently with the other hand and massage. I couldn't, because I was using my hand to hold the camera, so I literally could not do that. So make sure you rub in your hands and circulate blood flow and allow everything to be smooth, as compared to what I did. I just left it to be underneath the water, which was wrong. So the next step that you're going to do is pat your hand dry. You try and use a tissue and not a towel, because your hand is exposed now and there's a lot of pores that are opened. So try and use a tissue paper. This is what my hands look like thereafter. A little bit of a stain, but I promise you it feels so much better as compared to my other hand. Don't forget, once you do this mixture, make sure you moisturize your hands and tell me how it actually works for you guys. I'm so sorry I did not make the past video organic, and I'm so glad that you guys are actually watching my videos and telling me this is what I did wrong. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.